Super duper welcome to my channel, everybody. People who know me, hello there. People who don't know me, my name is Tanmay. Sanap. I'm a startup growth coach and video marketing is my specialty. So today's topic is about standing out, being different. So it's very important in this digital world. If you are different, then you can actually scale faster. So I'm going to share one secret I'm using personally and it's working for me. So stay to the end, and on this channel you are going to learn about digital marketing, startups, business and all. So entrepreneurship. So today, let's get started. I'm also in a little different avatar today. I missed the cap. Let's get started. I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business on your side. Now raise the money, hire experts and grow. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content. So how to stand out? Look, to stand out, you don't need to come up with 100% different idea. We will talk about that as well. Totally different idea. So actually, how to stand out in existing niche. So let's take an example of Bhuvan. So what you have to do first, let me tell you the 3 steps how you are going to stand out in the niche, existing niche. What you have to do, small changes, add your own flavor, and you have to try better and better by observing someone who is already crushing it. So you have to try to become better version of yourself by adding your flavor in that niche. So we are going to take the example of Bhuvan. So what you actually can do, there are so many people I'm seeing, they are trying to act like 10 different avatars, 20 different avatars, and they're trying to grow like Bhuvan. But what is happening, actually the idea of 10 different avatars played by a single person is actually taken. So you need to be add your own flavor. You have to provide the value, you have to impress people, because all the idea is already taken. If you were the first person, maybe there are high chances for you to you will get more success faster, but already the idea is taken. So what you have to do, add your own flavor and try to become a better version of yourself. So actually you can be better, you can act better than Bhuvan, but it's very hard today to get noticed. To get noticed, you also need to understand the market, because market already know that there is one person who is already playing the same idea. So if you want to, I'm seeing so many people are trying this, but so only 1%, 2% of people trying, getting little success, because the idea is already taken. You have to do more different in that idea, more different, more deep. So how that I will tell you in this secret. So understand the market, and consistency is very important. You will not get immediate results in 3 months and 6 months. Do not expect results in 6 months. Whatever, even you are giving your 500%, 600%, you cannot get the same results as Bhuvan got, because you are already inside the same niche. You are working in the same idea, but you are changing it. You'll get the result in this here. So I'll explain about this as well. So next point is, if you want to get noticed, you have to put consistent effort for 6 months, not 6 months, 1 year, maybe 1.5 years. So much efforts, because competition is so much and saturation is there, and you are actually working in existing niche. So don't expect immediate results. Okay, next part is how to stand totally different. So here is this topic is a little wide. So in totally different idea, so I want to tell you that I want to give you the example of scam. So there is a high chances of getting noticed when you come up with totally different idea. So scam series came up with totally different idea. That time everybody was everybody was trying drama movies, action movies, romantic movies, same boring type of ideas. And scam came with a totally different topic, plus the topic was different and the value was good, direction good, story good, acting good, screenplay good, everything. The value part is also important with different idea. So both have equal values. So what happened, scam came up with a total different idea, and that's the reason everything was good and the reason scam was so successful. But what happened when your idea is totally different and you do not provide that much value, still you have advantage of being noticed and getting success. How? I'm going to tell you that let's take the example. If your idea is totally different and you good job as well, so 100% winning chance, like scam. But what happened, your idea is totally different, but execution was not that good, execution was okay level. So here I want to give you the example of Golmaal. When Golmaal movie came in 2007-8, I don't remember the time. So the idea was totally unique idea. If nobody has that type of idea, that type of typical four people, one is that lucky type people and two blind people. So that totally typical idea, not typical idea, totally different idea. And Golmaal did good job. Even their direction was not that high, the comedy was, they are good comedians, but the comedy was not at that level, above average. So they are good people, they are, but the idea was so different that we are just loved watching that movie. Plus the climax was also okay climax. It's not so much suspense and all. It was good, but my point here is, with okay theme, with okay direction, screenplay, with okay story was also not above average. It's a normal story, but the different idea was there, and that's why we felt that wow, what a movie. And the movie is actually good, but my point here is that the idea was totally different, and that's why Golmaal was with okay direction, okay things, made that much success. So still 50% of the chance success if you do okay job. But let's take another example. Another example is of Houseful. When Houseful came, the story was unique, 4, 6, 8 people in one house, and that much confusion. So that was also a unique idea, unique theme for Houseful. That's why Houseful first part also did well. That's my point. The unique idea, but you did okay job. There is no much that much great screenplay and in-depth story. They were okay story, but the different idea made them successful. But what happened when Golmaal 2, 3, 4, Houseful 2, 3, 4, these movies are coming, we are already aware of the same concept. And the okay direction is not gonna help you over and over. You have to provide the value as you go ahead, because the idea is same. So second part, third part and fourth part is going here, being in existing niche, existing idea. They are working on existing idea, we know already the concept, we already are aware of that concept. So you have to work, you have to go better and better, and that's my point. I'm explaining everything in the format of movies and all. So let's jump to our secret. So what secret I'm using to stand out in this digital world, how to being different in digital world? What is my secret, how I'm doing it? So I'm going to give you an example. So let's assume that XYZ's birthday, it's XYZ's birthday, and everyone in his colony is wishing him on colony WhatsApp group. Okay, so everybody is sending happy birthday on colony WhatsApp group. So what you have to do, you have to write down this: why, who, where, what, when, how. This is by answering these questions and observing, you are going to stand out. How? Let me tell you. So it's XYZ's birthday, so why? You have to answer this question, why? So why everybody is wishing? Because it's his birthday. So can you do something else? No, because it's his birthday. So you have no chance here in this question to stand out. So who? It's whose birthday? It's XYZ's birthday. Here also you do not have a chance to stand out. There's no chance. So where? So yeah, here you have the chance to stand out and you will get noticed. How? Where? Everybody is wishing him on colony WhatsApp group, and what you have to do, you have to stand out differently by wishing him personally, call him, go his home, do something different. Write the answer here, where? Colony WhatsApp group, and you have to do something different by observing this question answer. Next is what they are doing. Everybody is wishing them, only wishing them. So here also you have a chance to stand out. You can actually give him a surprise, you can actually give him a gift, you can whatever you have, whatever you can do anything. So when they are wishing them, there's no chance here. How everybody is doing? Everybody is sending text messages, WhatsApp messages. So here also you have a chance. You can actually do, as I told you, that you can give him a gift, surprise party, or actually going home. So this is how you are going to stand out, by actually answering this question. And this is how I used to stand out in in this all social media crowd. There's so much saturation, there's so much people, everybody has different voice and different idea, and you should get noticed. And that's why I use this question answer system that I use personally, and it is helping. You can see in this, if you just call him or go and give him a surprise or give him a gift, he will always remember you, because every 100 people wished him, he doesn't remember who wished and who not, but you went and gave him a gift, and he will remember you forever. That's how you stand out differently. So yeah, if you like this video, you know what you have to do, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned.